In this lesson, you will learn how a digital camera captures an image and stores it as digital data. You will also learn about the lens, CCD, ADC, pixels, brightness, color depth, image quality, and file size. What is a digital camera? A digital camera captures images electronically and stores them as digital files. Unlike film cameras, photographs can be viewed immediately, deleted, edited, and transferred using USB, Bluetooth, or a memory card. Automatic camera tasks. A digital camera contains an embedded system. It can adjust the shutter speed, focus the image, operate the flash, change the aperture size, select the image size, and reduce red eye automatically. How a digital camera works. Light from the image passes through the lens and reaches the CCD sensor. The CCD converts the light into electrical charges. The ADC then converts these analog charges into binary data, creating a digital representation of the image. Light enters the camera. The lens collects and focuses light onto a light-sensitive sensor. The sensor contains millions of tiny elements. Each element captures light from one small part of the image. Pixels on the CCD. Each sensor element represents a pixel. A pixel stores information about brightness and color. For example, one pixel may have a brightness value of 115 and separate red, green, and blue values. Brightness values. The amount of light reaching a sensor determines its electrical charge. The ADC converts this charge into a brightness value. An 8-bit value provides 256 possible brightness levels from 0 to 255. Color values. Most digital cameras use 24-bit color. 8 bits represent red, 8 bits represent green, and 8 bits represent blue. Combining these three values produces the final color of each pixel. Analog to digital converter. The CCD produces analog electrical charges. Computers cannot store these charges directly. The analog to digital converter changes them into binary numbers that can be processed, displayed, and saved. Image quality and file size. Image quality depends on the lens, sensor quality, number of pixels, light levels, and file format. More pixels can provide more detail, but they also create larger image files. Digital cameras and smartphones. Smartphone cameras use the same basic process. Light passes through a lens, reaches a sensor, and is converted into digital data. Smartphones also use software to improve, store, and share photographs. Quick review. What does the CCD do? It converts light into electrical charges. Why is the ADC needed? It converts analog charges into digital values. What does 24-bit color mean? 8 bits each for red, green, and blue. Exam mistakes. Do not confuse the CCD with the ADC. The CCD detects light and creates electrical charges. The ADC converts those charges into binary data. More pixels alone do not guarantee better quality because the lens and sensor also matter. Summary. A digital camera captures light through a lens. The CCD converts the light into electrical charges. The ADC converts these charges into binary data. Pixels store brightness and color information. Image quality and file size depend on several factors. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more IGCSE Computer Science revision. Visit www.tuitionharbor.com or email hello@tuitionharbor.co.uk.